Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform model at Lunisiali University of Blida in Algeria. Today we are going to present our 14th lecture titled What is Cryptocurrency? So I have divided my 14th lecture into the following elements as follows. What is cryptocurrency? The main types of cryptocurrency, language activities, including building vocabulary, and your assessment finally, including quizzes, test, exam. So, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital asset that can circulate without the centralized authority of a bank or government. So cryptocurrency is a digital that is meant to be a medium of exchange. So kinds of cryptocurrencies or the main types of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency then removes all the problems of modern banking. So there are no limits to funds you can transfer. Your accounts cannot be hacked and there is no central point of failure. So Bitcoin is considered the first cryptocurrency created, and other individual cryptocurrencies are known as altcoins. Third element, your language activities. So the phrase receive the title of refers to accepting of a new title or designation, especially in a corporate company. The phrase receive the title of is very important to understand when using it to refer to moving up in a company. Here are a few sentences that help you in deciding on how you can use the phrase to in your daily life. For example, Mahyiddin received the title of CRO in his company. Hassan received the title of Chief Actuary Officer in his business. Finally, your assessment. So please, learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessments, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.